The pizza night is back, and it's keto, easy and all in one pan. This keto pizza recipe yields 8 good-sized slices. If you use regular pepperoni, each slice is estimated to be about 284 calories. However, if you opt for turkey pepperoni, the calorie per slice reduces to approximately 247. Please remember, these calorie counts are estimates only. The exact nutritional values will vary based on your specific ingredients and their precise quantities. Did you like this recipe? If so, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm dedicated to bring you more healthy, flavorful twists on Mediterranean dishes and classics, designed to be easy for everyone, from seniors and busy individuals to beginners in the kitchen, helping you achieve your weight loss goals while still enjoying incredible taste. Find the links for the keto-friendly pizza sauce that I use, along with my other go-to ingredients, right in the description below. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're craving more, don't forget to explore my other videos. I can't wait to connect with you in the next one. Until then, stay healthy and take care.